Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Panasonic LCD TV with the complaint red light blinking problem. Here in this TV the picture comes for a second then goes to protection mode. Here in this TV the red light goes to one-time blinking problem. One-time red light blinking clearly indicates a lamp error. Here the backlights are CFL tubes instead of LED backlights. Because this is a LCD TV, here CFL tubes are not available in the market, so we are going to remove the backlight protection from the inverter IC from the SMPS board and check it's working temporarily or not. If not working, we need to implement the LCD TV to LED TV conversion method. Anyway, here the inverter IC number is BD9247F. Here to remove the protection, connect IC pin number 11 to a ground using a 10 to 15K resistor. See friends, now the work is done. Here we done the protection removal process. See friends, now the TV is working without red light blinking. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.